General Asiedun Ketia, Typhoon General Mosquito, the General Secretary, Trotro Penny Emma NDC, Nibuefu, Waba Bontain, Ababa Kekan Simbi Afa, MPP4, or Monso, Trotro Penny, who IFN John Boydu. Now, answer a better also subscribe and click the notification bell, no, or yensa latest news be about one sa Ebeka. Yen say this voters registration, no baby, ya can't want sempa a banda. Any Bono region because obete na we yesi obete na we yesi obete na we yesi a lot of violence and nyama sisi wo ho. Now there is a video going viral you say ya arrested 66 Ivorians Nkrophobia wo free Ivory Coast wo mo ba Ghana say na ko wo mo be register ya chi omo atum na the NDC are claiming say eyomo and a chase Nkrofo no they have provided a video to show say yes eyomo NDC for no and a chase and chrome for no MPP for so edit to NDC for so say NDC for mum and a sancro for no a bar Ghana say woman brand register and you know the two political divides no obia blame ne yonko into NDC eka say hey encrofo we me na me chi omo me na me challenge omo me hu say womo ye votarians me na me sorry omo ye Ivorians me na me call report omo ma police the NDC for can know MPP for say hey mo boa ya see edun keta na kofa nkrofo ne ba nti na asem no aye buburuja wo bia pese woka na ne de eye de nti ene na ma the general secretary of John Boydu eba abonten ebe kan say ase edun ketia mom e no kofa nkrofo ne ba nti say NDC for ka say eye omo na chi nkrofo na eye ntro na wei e na ma ase edun ketia edi ebufo aba abonten na me pese me reading nsem ase edun ketia wode tuja na Ghana fo ni na yetie we say if John Boydu was in his right senses, he will not come and sit on television and be claiming they were sent by me as Asiedun Ketia. But say sebe, nanka John Boydu sebe nanka na adwen ye juma. Nanka want to me betina TV so enka say you no Asiedun Ketia na desa Ivorians na eba Ghana. And obisa say from where? From where? Inti Asiedun Ketia bisa say wakofo omu free him. But say why will I ask my agents to challenge them? Please, I want Joy FM to expose the lunacy in politics. The lunatic that is parading as general secretary in this country. As you don't get here, say, John Boydu wa bodam, yakas will be a lunatic at Chesene Bakuna bodam. Now, as you don't get here, wakasa wa Joy FM. Or say, Joy FM for Mr. More reporters. Munko baby asemnisi na munko bisa say, why am I challenges are Ivorians no? Who say a NDC for and the challenges are Ivorians. Naturally say any NDC for na mobile because NDC for na mobile there's no way they'll be challenging those people. It's more than one conco bisa say one more challenge here because me as you don't get yankasa and I catch me NDC agent they say one challenge is Nkrofo na me who say one more Ivorians. It's ya then and na MPP for general secretary able to be better na TV so edane ade ne de to me so say me na me kofa Nkrofo ne ba na me na me kofa mo ba ya na nka me challenge o mo ana nti wa ma simple tax to Joy FM for say wo mo nkonko ye nhwehwemu no mu bisa no mu behu ne say those Ivorians are arrested o mo no they were challenged by the NDC and I walk say the lunatic that is parading say John Boydu Sebe wa bodam and onam ho say NDC MPP for general secretary was he follow up at the police station and then follow up with the electoral commission and all the 66 people and you find out that they are all challenges filed by NDC people against the Ivorians. As someone said don't get no Joy FM follow up don't be assembly mu no cre ati ase inti no the other hono no I say na ebia na obi enim ensem a we say I expect the commission to take action against the electoral officers who allowed these people to register in the first place and having been challenged by NDC agents will still release the voters ID cards for the 66 Ivorians. It just say do get yakra eka say Nkrofo no ye ba say ye be register omo no and NDC for challenge omo. NDC for challenge omo no still electoral commission went further to release the ID cards to these 66 Ivorians. It was so expected, said the Electoral Commission would take action against the electoral officers and no more. You challenge ya. Mo say you challenge you. Be any kwan say mo the ID card no man no. But you challenge you no. Still mo the ID card no man crofo no. So you see, obi aka na nasem ayede. Obi aka ema nasem ayede. Jombo edun so ebe kasa e. Send am di country no accuse asiedun ketia. Say asiedun ketia no kofa bus. Na wo the foreigners yi egu mu. Na wo kofa omo free Ivory Coast. Na wo de omo eba banda. Say wo mo mbra mbe register. Asiedun ketia so aba bonten. E di atendidie eba. Aka say microphone follow up no mo ko hu asem ni mu no kre. So you see, one thing about this whole thing, they say, Ghana, what happens? And they say yeah, the politics, say, at the end of the day, no, not in Yamana Crano, say, Obiaqua could dip on your say, ye ni pakune free. Meaning, say, the American, no, you people are understanding now. Yet the politics, Saubons, Obiaco di bonnet, if you are the Bacona cry, and your politics. Ene man ko di sa abone no ono ankasa sebe na adwen fi ene odi ko di sa abone no na so san se Ghana ye be the politics ninti obehu ne say the merit of the case no yenko nkohu asem ni mu ana yenko asem ni mu asem no ne pomesi bre yenhu. These 66 Ivorians, I have told you, say these countries around us, they see Ghana as having a very good healthcare system. We have free national health insurance, so quite free. So these people, what want to say a registration via Ghana, they want to associate themselves with Ghana until register. Tibia sa Ivorian see, one man can so much do more and no register with Ghana. But sans say actual community, MPP the best NDC so the best MPP. Now so bia na both MPP ni NDC krano. Wo mu bia anywhere nensa ewa assembly mu. Now so you bear in politics because you say you go back hu fin. If you bear in politics na asem no wo mu asebe, wo mo hye ade we chi ankasa no ye nkonko hu. Ghana has said we are fan of that. Ahmed Swale ni wo sa ye di shewe ye be mu di play politics eno na ama atlende wo mu a wo mu ko di nyamran sem nankasa no ye nche ba ko krae. But we don't learn. Nancy Yawahana will be Burkina Faso. One also be register wa Ghana ye chino. Moti asema ni pakone kan. Also one no there Burkina Faso one ya say Ghana 4 year registration. Na eya Ghana 4 year wo mo sa Burkina Faso one mo ba be ye because of national health insurance. Into oba no hu say oh say voters registration but ni na no ono de onim say registration ti wa ye den wa ba be ye. And I change any bakono when you're Ghanaian. So it tells you that yes, there are some people who are registering, but it is not politically motivated. They have their own reasons why they are registering. Now, so when that my enchi, if you are Togo for and a Togo nibi, say wakwa register, you're the best NDC. You're the best NDC. Say NDC for na kofa Togo for ba register. Meanwhile, adia no ebia na nipa ko nankasa ni nsusu ye boni bi ana ono ankasa ni reasons nti no de bae ye wa ha na ye chi Nigeria ni bi a wono nso voter region ye chi na wa register eno nso obi beka say Nigeria ni a ya chi no voter region de na tre say NDC for but ye chi Nigeria ni no. I brought you the story mo te bi okan. So no the Ghana has no te we na ejuma. Tie ye registration and now for ne katen say oh and onu so nya bi nti ne now for kra e na tre say wo mo e guarantee man. Inti ade ne de e was say BBC sana ye yi the political colors efrim. Na ye hwe wo mo hye ade na nkasa ichi. I believe so mo hye ade na ichi ne kra no enya politics. Because I was listening to one of the MPs that was bordering way no. Now what you say ma oka what me say e ya ade a e ha yen e wo Ghana ha say. People are registering, people are coming to register, which is not politically motivated. Omo ankasa wo mo own reasons. What you na saying Doma West wo mo MP wo ba abonten wo be kasa ya. Wo no kra kan. Wo no kra kan. I say Ivory Coast for no to me ba be register, but enye say ebia NDC for and enye say obi na ekofa o mo ba because of Ghana your health system, national health insurance ninti ene ya wo mo ba e ba be register. Okay. But because two of the political parties obi a person in yonko luki bad ninti, wo ye ya was yo NDC for akofa nkrofo aba, wo ye ya was MPP for akoba se nkrofo aba. Eno na ma ase edu nketia. Odi ebufuo edi Jombo Edu atem say wabodam no. Mo tell my comment box me for me da say.